Hey guys, welcome back to Hands On Channel. Today we're going to whip up some quick sawhorses. What you're going to need for a pair of these sawhorses is 7 2x4x8s and some 2.5 or 3-inch or 3.5-inch wood screws. Probably longer would be even better, but I'm using what I've got. I'll be using these fast and tight wood screws over here for interior construction. I kind of wish I had some exterior ones, but I just don't have any available, so I'll be using these here. You could use drywall screws. The thing is with drywall screws, they got a lot of holding power, but they don't have a lot of shear strength. So I think these are a little stronger on the shear strength. So I'm going to be using these. The way I cut mine, these are going to be the legs here. And I cut all these to 36 inches. I saw a thing online and the guy was saying cut them at 32 inches. And I'm like, man, that's the same problem I run into when I buy store-bought sawhorses. They're too short for me. I'm coming in right at about 6 foot tall, so a lot of these 32-inch high countertops and stuff like that, it makes it to where I have to bend down and it hurts my lower back. So I try to elevate my work as much as possible. So I've extended the legs out to 36 inches, so you need 4 of those, and you're going to need the top. These are going to be kind of like wooden I-beams when we're all finished with them. So you're going to need 3 of these, and I just cut the 2x4 in half, the 2x4x8. So I've got basically 3 4-footers. All right, guys, we're going to start at the top here. So we're going to work on this part, the upper I-beam, as we'll call it. Okay, I kind of want that one to be the middle because it's got some knots in it. And I'm just going to eyeball these things to the middle like that. Okay, and since this is going to be the top, I'm going to go ahead and countersink this row. Okay. We'll run a screw in. Okay, that looks good. We're going to repeat the same thing on the opposite end, and I'll flip it around here so you guys can see. Get it in the middle. Probably going to put 2 more in the center here just to give it strength. I don't want a whole lot in the top though, because anytime you cut through with your saw, you're running the risk of hitting one of those screws. I don't like that about this design, but it'll be okay. I'll just have to remember that. Oh no, broke our bit. That's okay. Hopefully I can still push it through here for the video. Oh yeah. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Repeat the process here. Eyeballing for middle here. That looks pretty good. All right, I-beams completed. Sure it feels nice and tight. You make that the top. Okay, next up we're going to stick the legs on. So this is the top. Alright, that's actually looking pretty darn good right there. Now I could take my saw and, like, you know, shave some of this out and make it sit in there even more flush, but there's really no sense in it. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be necessary. So hopefully my screws are long enough for this. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to run 2 screws in here into this board and 2 screws into this board here. So we should be good there. Let's attach the legs. Get on with it. And make sure I'm down all the way. It's good. It's not going anywhere. Ah, shoot. Broke another bit. That's starting to piss me off. Trying to go right down through the corner of that 2x4. Yeah, forget about countersinking. Okay, that's one leg. Repeat the process 3 more times and you'll have yourself a sawhorse. And there we have it, fellas. Just that simple. You can make your own sawhorses. They're very sturdy. If you need them more sturdy, you could connect some boards in between here. Or what I might do here, I've got some scraps. What I might do is cut these down and either stick them on the ends like that, or cut them in a way that I can stick them inside between there. Haven't quite decided how I'm going to do that yet, or if I'm going to do it, if it's even necessary. They're pretty darn strong the way they are right now. So I've got one more to build. I say I've only got one completed so far, but probably that one probably took me, with the cutting and everything, probably took me 20 minutes. Of course, I cut all the wood for the other one as well. So guys, forget about buying these store-bought ones. For one thing, this is much better for me at my height. Now I don't have to stoop down to work on this. I'll be able to stand more upright, and that'll help my back. And even when I'm doing my cutting and stuff, it'll just be better. Instead of me bending down way down here where the 32s would have been, I'm now at where whatever 36 would equal. And it's about hip high to me. That's about perfect for me. So guys, highly recommend this project. It's pretty easy to do, pretty cheap. Go out and get yourself 7 2x4x8s and some 2.5 inch construction screws or drywall screws, and rock and roll. Sky's the limit. So guys, appreciate you tuning in. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and until then, we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, and they're stackable. Great project, guys. Probably take you 30 minutes to do it. Well worth it. Get her done. We'll see you next time.